Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how to fix slow mode error in Discord. So first of all, what you have to do is make sure Discord status is working. Open a new browser or a new tab and search for discordstatus.com. If you see all system operational, that means all are working and you're good to go. Now here, select a server where you're having the problem and select the settings icon of the chat. In here, as you can see, I have enabled slow mode, and that is why it is showing slow mode. Right here, it says slow mode is enabled. Members can only send one message every 10 minutes. Let's go ahead and turn it off. Process is simple. Select settings. Under slow mode, turn it off just like this. Select save changes. Now go back to your chat and you don't have it anymore. Now if it's still not working for you, then you can try launching your application instead of browser. If you have been doing it in your application, you can try browser. Now likewise guys, this is how you can fix your problem. If it's still not working, then you're going to have to uninstall Discord, reinstall again, try the same process and it will work.